Hello, my nostrils! Welcome back to the Nashville Nose. As always and every time, it is I, your host, Phil. Today we're going to dive into a famous designer gourmand. One I've heard a lot of buzz about for a while now. I'm really curious to see how I'm going to feel about Ferragamo Uomo. And I hear good things about a lot of other flankers from the Uomo line, but many YouTubers and reviews claim that they still haven't topped the original eau de toilette. I don't normally go for eau de toilettes, but I hear good reports on performance. But you know, this test is to see how well it will do on my skin today. Ferragamo Uomo was launched in 2016, and one of the composers listed is, of course, Alberto Morillas, who is famously known for, as you I'm sure well know by now, the Acqua di Gio line. So what will the king of freshies bring to the table when it comes to a sweet gourmand? Only one way to find out. Let's get into it, yeah? Oh, that was a terrible idea. Oh, that plastic tastes nasty. Anyway, here we go. Let's check out the box. Pretty standard box, but I like the artwork on the front. You got the Ferragamo brand name all randomly splattered in there. Then you got Uomo and Salvador Ferragamo. In fact, I think this may be the first Ferragamo in my collection. Ah, nice bottle, actually. Oh! I will never learn. Oh, and we have a... Wait, what is this thing? Oh, a little pin to prevent it from going off in the box? I don't know. The bottle is actually really cool. I like how it's scooped out on the front there. See, it's kind of concaved. And on the sides, it's pretty impressive. It's got that same random splattered letters with the Ferragamo name kind of sticking out of the glass. It says Salvador Ferragamo on the cap. And I can't tell if it's the glass or the... Oh, actually, it's the juice. The glass is clear and the juice is the yellow goldish color. So a nice looking bottle, nice looking juice. Oh, that's not a cap. Okay, now I know why that little pin was in there. This is the whole sprayer right here. It looks like a cap. I'm glad I didn't yank on it too hard. So yeah, it looks like you just spray the big top and you'll get the mist. So let's do that right now. Time to diagnose. The doctor is now in. Not a bad sprayer. Okay, off the sillage, I'm getting just like a very, oh, there it is. A very typical sweet designer. That's in the first blast anyway. It reminded me of things like the Stronger With You DNA. This is Stronger With You, absolutely. This, at least in the air around me, is giving original Stronger With You. That one right there, which I haven't smelled in a while and I don't remember being a fan of it. Let's let it settle in a touch. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is reminding me of Stronger With You, but I'm not getting that chestnut flavor from the Stronger With You line. This one smells a little bit more like a pastry. Yeah, it's giving me this kind of pastry vibe along with that very designery, pleasing concoction. Wow, this is very good right off the rip. It's also making me think of The Most Wanted, but this is obviously much more about the toffee. I'm not really sure what the notes are in Ferragamo Uomo, but yeah. First impression, really good, really sweet, and really nice. While we let that dry down, let's check out those notes. Okay, this is interesting. I can't find it on the website, so therefore I believe that this actually might be discontinued. But after doing some quick Googling, it looks like it's very widely available all over the discounters. You can pretty much get it anywhere on the internet. All right, we'll have to use Fragrantica. Top notes: cardamom, black pepper, bergamot. Yeah, it's got that fresh blast in the open, most likely coming from the bergamot. Black pepper is pretty commonly found in a lot of designers as well. When I think cardamom, though, I think La Nuit de l'Homme by YSL. Let's see. Now, La Nuit de l'Homme is more of a sexy, sensual blend, where this one does have a little bit of sexiness in there, but it's mostly sweet and gourmandy. In the mid-notes, we have Orange Blossom and Ambroxan, and that may be the element which is reminding me of The Most Wanted, because this is a sweet gourmand fragrance, and also kind of an Ambroxan bomb. And in the base, we only have tonka bean, sandalwood, and cashmere wood. And I was really expecting to see vanilla in here. It may be in there, Fragrantica may be wrong, but I smell something extremely vanillic. I mean, mean, I wouldn't be shocked if they had vanilla in there somewhere. Vanilla is featured in a lot of fragrances, but it could just be the tonka bean and more of a sweeter type of sandalwood accord. And then the last note that I see on here is just a general sweet notes. So who knows what could be mixed into that? Maybe vanilla. I'm guessing vanilla. But yeah, this is nice. So far, it's not very unique compared to a lot of other things I already have, like Stronger With You, like The Most Wanted, or even too dissimilar from L'Eau de L'Homme, but it is very good. We'll have to let it fully dry down and develop to see if it shifts and finds its own path. Since applying it and since we've been talking, it really hasn't changed much. So I think I'm just gonna step away right now and let this baby fully open up and show me what it's gonna do. It's all we can do at this point. So you know what to do. You stay right there. I'll be right back. We're back. Okay, I gave Ferragamo Uomo a good long time to develop and really test out its performance. First off, I have to say, as an eau de toilette, really decent performance. I'm really happy with its longevity, especially considering its concentration, and considering it has softened up quite a bit since it's been sitting on the skin. I mean, it's no beast whatsoever. You know, it is what it is. But I think the fact that we have sandalwood and cashmere wood in the base, it's probably providing a nice backbone for all the sweeter and fresher notes to lie. It provides a nice support for the whole blend. And as far as the scent development goes, it hasn't changed a lot, but like I said earlier, it is a little bit softer. I am getting more of that sort of pastry vibe at this point. Very sweet, but also very people-pleasing. I can see this being a total compliment monster. My only caveat with it is, yeah, it just smells a lot like Stronger With You. So is it blind buy safe? I mean, as of right now, while taping this, you can get it on Fragrance Net for like 40 bucks. So I would say, sure, why not? I can't imagine anyone really disliking it unless you really don't like sweeter fragrances. If you're really into sweet gourmands, then this is a great addition to your collection. If you already own Stronger With You, though, then this might seem a little redundant for you to own, especially if you're fine with just having a small collection, like the majority of humans. But I will say this, if you really do love Stronger With You, but wish it wasn't as loud and abrasive, then that's basically what I get from this. A gentler, more soft-spoken version of Stronger With You. Like I said, I don't have the original Stronger With You, so this is a perfect alternative for me. I didn't even bother with the original Stronger With You EDT because I love Absolutely so much. So if I'm jonesing for something closer to the original DNA, I think this is a bit of an upgrade in my opinion. For my final thoughts though, I really like it. I think it's delicious. A really good grab. Not a beast of a performer, but no slouch whatsoever, which may be more appealing to people who don't want to blast everyone out with a fire hose of fragrance coming off their skin. I think at the very least, Ferragamo Uomo is worth a try. Even though it is discontinued, I have seen it in several mall department stores, so if you ever spot it out there, you should definitely give it a spray, see what you think. And if you do, you better tell me what you think in the comments. Give me all those fragrant thoughts right over there, and while you're over there, you might as well go a little bit to the side and hit that subscribe button. Yes, subscribe. Become an official nostril today. And if you want to provide additional support to this channel, give us a like, ring the bell. Let's really sweeten up those YouTube algorithm gods, shall we? Pretty pleased with sugar on top? Share me with all of your pheromone challenged friends and family. Blast me out on your socials. Let's keep this fragrance channel growing, baby. Oh wait, oh god, I forgot. It's not a fragrance channel. Dadoy. What is it? Yes, yes, it's a community. You nailed it. And y'all's come back next time. Until then, stay sweet, stay precious, and of course, stay smelly. The doctor is out.